There, time for lights out and a good day's sleep.
Another night's watch all done, huh, Big Blinky?
Yep, you got it. Don't know what they'd do without me. Something the matter, Trolley?
No, it's just... It looks like a lot of fun in Cozy Cove. Just once, I'd like to spend the day over there. Must be great to play with the other guys and to... Just once. Hey, I wonder if Troller comes close enough. But no, he never give me a ride. Don't you have any sense of duty? Spend the day? Unless he doesn't know about it.
Guess I ought to drop by, say good morning to the old fella. Morning, Blinky! How's it shining? Guess you're entitled to some shut-eye. You had a long day's night.
Here goes nothing.
Trolley! Huh?
That's no fish.
Tunnel, quick! Trolley! Drop your winch down to Dippy. Dippy, take the other end and find Trolley. Hurry!
Got you, Elias.
She's got him!
Boy, oh boy, that was close. Thanks, Eleanor. Thanks, Dippy. And thanks, Elias.
So why'd he pretend to be a fish?
See, I wanted to spend the day in Cozy Cove. A day of fun. But all I got was covered with fish and dumped in the ocean.
And if Elias hadn't been there, that's where you'd have stayed. You've been a mighty silly trolley, Trolley.
I know. Sorry, Big Blinky.
What would I do without you?
Oh. I got the oil, Big Blinky. You want me to get in touch with Eleanor and see if... Big Blinky? I'll ask again later. Huh? Hey! Big Blinky! Big Blinky! Big Blinky!
Trolley?
Why is Smacky going back the way he just came?
Beats me.
All this is very interesting, but can you tell me if a big, shiny, very expensive delivery has been dropped off here for me?
Not to my knowledge, Rocky.
Wouldn't a delivery for you go directly to Golden Bay, Rocky?
Yes, but it seems to have gotten lost. I've been waiting for it for days now.
Patience is golden, Rocky.
wheel!
Am I glad to be here, Big Blinky.
I'm relieved to see you, Elias.
Come on! Let's see this treasure of yours!
Can we unload it into your container trolley?
With pleasure! Ready and waiting!
Let's see.
What is it?
Sorry, Elias, but that's not treasure.
No way! Big Blinky!
What's up, Trolley?
Oh, I can't move! All that stuff the storm last night threw at us, it's covered my tracks!
Well, maybe help's already on the way. Hey, Gil, go! Did you land Trolley here a hand, a wing?
Wow, looks like you're totally and completely stuck.
Who dropped all that stuff on you?
No one!
Then how?
The storm! The waves came crashing over and threw rocks and weeds and...
And an egg.
Huh?
Look, there.
That is one big egg.
An egg!
How does that oil feel, Trolley?
It makes my Hot Wheels feel a lot cooler. I can't stop!
Don't worry, Elias. Trolley will be out of the tunnel before I can blink. Oh, dear. I hope he hasn't seized up underground.
He might be scared. Maybe Swifty and I should search around the island.
Good idea, Elias.
Come on, Swifty. Time to get to work. If Dippy comes back this way, tell her to come and find us.
I will. Good luck.
Big Blinky was right. The water's cooling my boiling Hot Wheels. Oh! Dippy, you scared me.
How did you get into the water?
I slipped off my track and landed in the ocean. It would never have happened if I'd gotten my shiny new wheels.
Crane says she definitely loaded a package for you onto Elias's deck.
So Elias must have lost it.
Maybe. Oh, Elias! We need to get Trolley out of the water before his old wheels seize up for good.
Where can they be?
Yeah! Faster! Faster!
I hope that's what I think it is. Dippy, get it!
Got it!
Okay, Dippy, they're all yours.
Are you ready? Uh-huh. Oh, please don't drop my new wheels.
Don't worry, Trolley. I'm holding on tight.
Where's she gone?
Dippy's going to attach your wheels underwater.
Ooh. It tickles!
All done.
Thanks, Dippy. Now, let's get you back where you belong, Trolley.
Wow! Look at my shiny new wheels!
Oh, no! Quick, Swifty. Now, let's try again.
Stay still, Trolley.
I'm back on track!
Thank goodness for that.
Hi, Swifty. Hi, Dippy.
Morning, Trolley. Slow pokes.
Oh, we got held up by Smacky.
What's going on up there?
Big Blinky's talking to Little Blinky. They've been talking nearly all morning.
I can't hear anybody talking, Trolley.
Of course you can, Princess. They're communicating by flashing with their lights.
You mean they're talking with the lights?
That's right. Look, there's a long flash followed by 2 short flashes. And another long flash.
Oh, but we don't understand what they're saying to each other.
Hold on. Big Blinky and I have connecting radios. You can listen to what they're saying to each other.
Hey there, Elias.
Big Blinky! How's it going?
What was that?
I said, how's it? Rocky?
Watch out!
Rocky? What have you done to your engine?
I've just been in for a service. I had a little work done on my engine, too.
Goliath did that?
Goliath? What does he know about turbocharging? No, I went to a real special place at Ice Point. Goliath's so last century. This place has all the latest stuff. You should try it.
Seems kind of dumb to go all the way to Ice Point when there's a perfectly good mechanic in Cozy Cove.
Uh-huh.
I wish he'd stayed at Ice Point. I might not have gotten so wet.
Yes, Rocky, I know. And I think I know how to help you. Can you head towards Cozy Cove, past Big Blinky's Island?
Big Blinky's Island. I'll do my best. Oh, my.
I don't know what's got into him, Big Blinky. That's twice today he soaked me.
From what I can gather, he's in some kind of trouble.
He's in trouble. Have you seen the condition of my wheels? Uh-oh. Here he comes again. Well, this time, I'm gonna make sure I'm nowhere near when he... Whoa! Oh, no. Oh, congratulations! Congratulations!
Oh, thank you, Trolley.
It's not every day we celebrate such an amazing anniversary. 100 years, 100 years of standing on this rock, serving your community.
Oh, well...
Little Blinky to Big Blinky. Are you receiving me?
Loud and clear, Little Blinky.
Congratulations!
Oh,
100 years! What an achievement, Big Blinky!
yes, well, it's just a job at the end of the day.
So how would you like to celebrate, Big Blinky?
Quietly, Trolley. The less fuss, the better.
Oh. An old oar from a rowing boat? It could make a nice present for Big Blinky. Some bright paint and a little varnish will make it good as new.
We're on our way.
I better go and see how much recycling we've got before Elias arrives.
Good idea, Trolley. I'll keep a lookout for them.
month's recycling is really heavy. Oh, it's a long way up with a heavy load.
There's no way that Elias can take all of that load.
Maybe not, but Elias and another boat should solve the problem.
Ah, here they come now.
I'll wait for them down in the harbor.
Hi, Big Blinky. Hi, Trolley.
Hi, Trolley.
Hello!
Good to see you all.
I wonder if I could take the bins on 2 separate trips.
It would take all day to make 2 trips, Elias. And the sea's getting rougher by the minute.
I'll have to take the second bin myself.
What? You can't float like a boat, Trolley?
I wasn't thinking of floating, Dippy. I was thinking that maybe Swifty could give me a ride on his back.
Is it safe? I mean, Swifty is only a rubber dinghy.
There's only one way of finding out, Big Blinky.
Come on, let's give it a try.
Everything all right, Trolley?
I think so, Elias.
Now listen to me, Swifty. No bouncing, no spinning, and no showing off.
Whoops! Swifty's surface is really slippery.
The less you move around, the better, Trolley.
I'll be as still as I can, Elias.
Okay, everybody. Are we ready?
Yep.
Lead the way, Swifty.
Take your time. Be careful.
Maybe I was a little hasty. I wonder if they've already left.
Right a bit, Eleanor. Left. Got it.
Oh, what a relief!
Steady, you two. There's still more to do. Your turn now, Trolley.
Whee! Up you go, Trolley!
See you back at Big Blinky's Rock.
Enjoy the ride!
Did you enjoy your travels by sea and air, Trolley?
It was an experience, Dippy, but I'm back exactly where I belong. Right here, on Big Blinky's Rock, with solid rails under my wheels. Wahey! Woo-hoo! It's the best place in the world!
It's such a clear day I can be seen for miles.
You can take a break, Big Blinky.
We both can.
Oh, no. I got too many things to do.
You're a very hard worker, Trolley. I don't know what I'd do without you.
Hello?
Oh, goody! Here's Elias with our supplies. 1, 2, 3 crates. Load them up.
Oh, okay, Trolley. Maybe you should come back for the 3rd crate. They're pretty heavy.
No. I'm very busy. I'll take them all.
I'm not sure that's such a good idea.
Please, Elias.
Okay, here it comes.
Thank you.
Trolley!
Trolley, are you all right?
I'm fine. I just need to get back on the track. Ouch!
Oh, no! Trolley, you've broken a wheel.
I've...
Come here. I'll take you to the shipyard so Goliath can have a look at that wheel.
But I got so many jobs to do today.
Don't worry about that, Trolley. I'll manage. You need to get yourself repaired.
Oh.
Well, there's good news and bad news. I can fix you, but I can't fix that broken wheel. I'll have to forge a new one, and that will take time. Sorry, Trolley, but you won't be back on Big Blinky's island until tomorrow morning.
But how will Big Blinky manage without me?
Don't you worry, Trolley. I promise that I'll help Big Blinky out as best I can.
Elias! I'm all fixed. Oh, no. What happened?
Rocky and rocks don't go together.
Ha! Very funny.
What scrapes have you been getting into, Rocky?
I'm sorry, Big Blinky. If only I'd been here to switch on the foghorn.
Shush, Trolley, shush. It's not your fault. You were working too hard. You need to promise me you'll take regular breaks in the future.
Okay, I promise. Yippee! You know what, Smacky? You ought to get your own back on that big bully.
Bully? Rocky? He's no bully. He's just a big, overgrown kid.
And a very impolite one at that.
Maybe he should be taken down a peg or two. Wouldn't want him playing that kind of silly trick on anyone else.
Smacky, I got here as fast as I could.
Oh, hi, Elias.
It's all that Rocky's fault. He zoomed up, and it looked like he was gonna smash into Smacky, and he covered him in water, and he shouldn't be allowed.
Take it easy, Trolley.
Yeah, but maybe Trolley has a point, Big Blinky. Rocky can be a little too pleased with himself. Come on, Smacky. Let's get you home. Goliath's gonna have to take a look at you.
Bye, Elias.
Take it easy, Smacky. You hear?
103, 104, 100 and...
Why are you counting all those ducks?
So we know how many there are in case any escape. Elias said to make sure they didn't fly away. 105, 106...
I think he said to make sure they didn't blow away. They can't fly.
Oh, 100 and... Oh, now where was I? I've lost count. 1, 2, 3, 4...
Huh. Did you find the container?
Yes, but we've caused a bigger problem.
It sank.
Although I've got an idea of how to solve both problems. The sunken container and the rubber ducks.
Oh, good luck.
But I didn't finish counting.
Ah, Elias. Do you have more lights for us?
Yes, Big Blinky.
More lights! Yippee!
Here you are, Trolley.
Thank you, Elias!
You need to get used to using your fog light, little Blinky. There's a forecast of fog, and you might be needing it later on today.
Oh, so what do I do, Big Blinky?
You flash your lights on and off, like this. The flashing light will warn the ships they're near dangerous rocks.
I can see you, Big Blinky.
Now you give it a try, little Blinky. Blink, blink, blink. On, off, on, off. Got it?
Got it, Big Blinky. On, off, blink, blink, blink. How long do I keep it up for?
Until I tell you to turn it off, or until the fog clears.
Okay, Big Blinky. I'll keep on practicing.
You do that. I'm gonna try out my foghorn.
Oh, it's very loud.
I can hear it all the way over here.
That's the idea. Sometimes you need more than a fog light to warn off ships. Now you try your foghorn.
Okie dokie. Ooh, spooky.
Hey, check out the lights.
Big Blinky and Little Blinky must be testing their fog lights.
And their fog horns, too. Ooh, scary.
Whoa! It's action stations here.
We saw the fog lights. And heard the fog horns, too.
We'll be needing both later. There's a thick fog rolling in from the ocean.
It's so thick, you won't be able to tell your prow from your stern.
I don't see any fog.
Me neither.
We're right behind you, Princess. We can hear you. Loud and clear. Big Blinky's fog light.
We did it.
Guide us in, Princess.
You made it!
We're not home yet, Trolley.
Don't worry. I can look after you, Elias.
With all your smart equipment, I'm quite sure you can, Princess. But first, I need to alert Little Blinky of your arrival.
She'll guide you safely round the rocks and into Cozy Cove Harbor.
Big Blinky to Little Blinky, are you receiving me?
Loud and clear, Big Blinky.
Princess and Cruiser are heading your way with the rescue party.
No worries. I'll guide them home with my fog light. Follow me.
Hold on a minute. Princess, Cruiser, I want you both to promise me that you'll never disappear into the fog again. What a strange sound. Where's it coming from? It couldn't be. I remember when I was young, there was a story about strange songs out at sea sung by, oh, what was it? Of course! It's mermaids! The mermaids must have returned to Cozy Cove. Oh, just wait till I tell Trolley.
Tell Trolley what?
Trolley! Oh, there you are. Listen to that.
What is it, Big Blinky?
You'll never guess.
Oh, tell me!
It's a mermaid.
A mermaid?
Shh! You'll frighten her away.
Are you sure it's a mermaid?
What else can it be? That mournful singing, that sad and wistful melody. Oh, it's just like the mermaid song we used to sing when I was no more than a little beacon. Over the waves and under the sea, the mermaids are swimming so wild and free. With their long fishy tails, they leap up to the rocks, where they sit sweetly singing and combing their locks.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I'm gonna find the mermaid, Big Blinky. Stay right there until I get back.
I don't have much choice.
Swifty! Whoa! I almost crashed into you. You got here pretty fast. Did you see her? The mermaid! Over there! Oh! Over there! Well, where then? Hi, Elias. Have you come to see the mermaid too?
Yes. Where is she?
I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna find her.